Ever wondered where all that money to build our schools, fix our roads, and keep our hospitals running actually comes from? It's from income tax, a fundamental part of how our governments operate and fund the services we all rely on. But what exactly is income tax? Simply put, it's a mandatory levy, or a compulsory payment, that governments impose on individuals and businesses. This tax is based on the earnings, or income, that these individuals and businesses generate over a specific period. Usually a year. Think of it as a share of your earnings that you contribute back to the collective. The percentage of your income that you pay as tax can vary depending on factors like how much you earn, which is often structured in what's known as tax brackets. So, why do we pay it? The primary reason is to fund public services and crucial infrastructure. This includes things like education, healthcare, national defense, transportation networks like roads and bridges, and essential utilities. By pooling these resources, governments can undertake large-scale projects and provide services that benefit everyone in society, improving our overall quality of life and contributing to the nation's economic stability and societal well-being. In essence, income tax is our collective investment in the nation we share.